Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play.
Good morning. I brought enough tulips to fill this bed today because yesterday, my Thursday customer, all of her impatiens were dead and we pulled them all. But she is about 200 feet higher than we are at sea level. So this is what I found this morning when I got here. Oh, the impatiens are still pretty. Look at that. How can I pull those out? So I'm gonna wait till next week. Look at that. I'm gonna wait till next week and they'll probably crash in the next couple days. And I'll yank them out, dig some holes where they are. And these are the flowers that I'm putting in. These are some specialty that will not go in this bed. They'll go on another part of the property. Same with these. But these ones here, we got 3 packs of 30 double 8 bulbs and 3 packs of 30 those are double early, these are double 8. Okay, so the point is you get equal number of double early and double late, and you put them in the same hole, and then the show lasts much longer. So that's the concept, and we're gonna have to wait for next week. It's a drizzly November 10th, and again I brought the tulip bulbs back to Beach Avenue to plant here, and I can't bring myself to pull out these incredible sun patients still struggling on November 10th. So I guess I'll plant them next week. It's November 17th, 9:30 a.m. on Beach Avenue. Lots going on, so there will be background noise. I will speak clearly. So I can't wait any longer. You can see these impatiens are still flowering, but they have gone a little translucent. So I think when they actually finally do thaw from last night's freeze, they're just gonna collapse. So we're pulling them out today. Join me on the helmet cam and we'll do it together. Okay. Let's lift this guy out by the roots. Shake off the roots. Plunk them in the bucket. Good night. Tell you, this business, it's a lot of killing. Okay. Next. It's a beautiful morning, but chilly. Oh, we got daffodils coming up. See that? Yeah, this bed in the springtime is just ringed by daffodils. There's some more here. That's nice. Let's haul this guy up. Okay. Oh, he's gonna break. Oh, okay. I need a shovel. Probably should have used that in the first place. It's right next to some daffodils, so we have to be careful. There we go. Looks like we got room for one more. Come to Papa. That is. Oh, it's pretty heavy. We're going to the dump. Okay, you can't see it yet, but I've dug 12 holes. And there are 90 early tulips and 90 late tulips. So when you divide 90 by 12, you get 7.5. Which means, whoops, we're gonna put 7 in the first hole, 8 in the second. Okay, here we go. That's 4, 5, 6, whoops. That's 8. Okay, so we'll do 7 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the rest here, that's 2, 4, 6, 7. So the next one we do 8. Okay, 8 in this hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, take one out. 8 over here. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, the next one's 8. Okay, so now the double earlies. Okay, so since this one has 2, 4, 6, 8, we're gonna put 7 of these guys in here. This time you gotta be more careful. 2, 4, 6, 7, 2, 4. Okay, so before you bury these, all you want to do is make sure the little pointy end's up and radiating out. So you'll get a bigger bouquet if they aim out like the spokes of a wheel. And then they will curve up. So you can see the hole's not that deep. It's probably 4 inches. The instructions are 4 to 6. But I'm intending on putting fresh soil on top of this bed this winter. So once that's like that, just cover it up. Okay. So we arrange these so that they are aiming outward. As big a radiating bouquet as we can fit in this fairly small hole. All right. I think you got the idea.